This is my first time trying the pre-workout drink. I wasn't really sure if it was going to work, but I gave it a shot and I loved it. I definitely see a difference when I don't use it. When I do, it gives me the energy that I need to get my workout done. It's filled 60% of the way with AMINO blend powder. I buy these all the time at Walmart, but none have been filled like this one. I get what all the bad reviews are for, but mine tastes good, is good quality and has plenty in the container. I would recommend buying the blue raspberry flavored one. 5 stars for me. Plus it works great for working out and I love on. That's exactly what sort of foolery you'll end up with here. The product is great, don't get me wrong. But, why the big container if we get half of its contents? Love this, but darn that blue dye. Blue dye number 1 and number 2 is cancerous. Just do a Google search and you'll see many articles about it immediately. And this stuff has mega blue dye in it. The powder is white, but once it's mixed with water, watch out. It's the most intense blue color I've ever seen. It stains my hands if I get on them, and I hope you don't have a light color counter, cause this stuff sort of goes everywhere when you scoop it out. Plus your tongue gets stained blue for a while after drinking it. The flavor is delicious, but I really wish they would not add color with blue dye. It's not necessary at all, and horribly unhealthy. This product does give me a boost of energy without jitters and somehow puts me in a good mood. But please, Optimum Nutrition, take out that blue dye, you're killing me. Gives you energy without the jitters and crash. Love it. Definitely would recommend AMINO Energy if you are looking for a boost during exercise/workouts or even a replacement for coffee in the mornings. Bought the green apple a while back, but the blueberry is good as well. Best stuff to use for a college student. I usually get the blue raspberry, however I stepped out on the limb this time. This flavor is delicious. I always add lemon and lime to my water bottle. This stuff is awesome. I have a toddler and a 7-year-old, I run my own company, and have to take care of home and many more obligations. I'm usually exhausted but like to take time for a workout several times a week. I take 2 scoops and 25 minutes later start to feel pinpricks all over my body, which tells me it's time to start my workout. Usually, I do 30 minutes cardio, but with this stuff I can easily do over an hour of cardio in addition to abs and other strength toning. The only downside is if I take it after 2 p.m. then I can barely sleep at night. Replace my coffee and taste really good. Energy felt light, not strong, but that's good. Package sealed, true you get half amount powder, sucks. But so far I like the product. Thumbs down T. I love AMINO Energy. I use it for a pre-workout, a quick pick-me-up, and as an alternative to coffee in the morning. I hate coffee. I never have a crash nor the jitters like a lot of products similar to this. Loving both watermelon and blueberry mojito and excited to try the rest. Finally found an energy drink I love. The flavor is great and it really does give you energy. I will definitely be purchasing more. When I don't take it in the morning I feel run down. When I take it, it boosts my energy for the day. I drink 4 different ones. My doctor told me to take amino acids once a day or as needed. He didn't say which ones. I started with GNC. But they closed the product out and I found this one. I take 2 scoops, 1 from one bottle and 1 scoop from another bottle. I like it mixed. And I rotate the bottles daily, giving different flavors daily. This product is awesome. The blueberry mojito is my favorite flavor so far. Gives you incredible energy throughout your day and has great ingredients inside. Highly recommend. This is the same brand that I have seen for sale at my gym. I was excited to try it and was not disappointed. I use energy drinks more than I would like to admit. The AMINO Energy flavor I tried is cranberry lemonade. It tastes great. There's no aftertaste or chalkiness in this drink. The energy was felt after the first few gulps. I drink half before my workout and the other half during. It provides good sustained energy. Bought the 9.5-ounce size. I don't know why so many people have had issues with not getting the correct product, but I had no issue with this. pre-workout was great, felt a boost right away, does cause some tongue and lip tingling and numbness. This is common with pre-workout. Does cause some face melt. Also common with pre-workout. Overall great product, tastes great, works well. I don't regularly drink coffee or dose caffeine. On average I might consume up to 30 milligrams of caffeine a day if I am drinking a once daily Diet Coke or something, but other than that I don't have any reason to possess a caffeine tolerance. That being said, I have noticed that my whole life, I'm 18 years/0, I never feel too affected by caffeine. I might have a natural tolerance, but anyways that means this pre-workout may work differently on different bodies. I am 5'11", at least 170 pounds, and I took this pre-workout for the first time today, 2 scoops. I did not feel any crazy sensation, but I did feel 100% compared to some days where I might not be lifting to my potential. What this means is that although I did not feel super amped up, I felt ready to lift. The results were present because where I usually bench press 37 reps at 70% of my 1 RM. Today with a pre-workout I managed 54 reps. I will continue daily usage of this pre-workout, but for today I would say that this stuff makes me lift to my full potential without making me feel like I'm on cocaine. Hopefully the BCAAs can contribute to my recoveries, too. BTW Blue Raspberry tastes great. Edit, lots of people complaining about flavor, amount, etc. I purchased the 130 scoop tub for $31, so you shouldn't be buying this stuff in the 60 scoop size if you can get twice as much for a little extra. My container is bigger than the 60 scoop size, and it isn't mostly empty. If you don't like the flavor, water it down. I don't even need to water mine down much. Click link in description for more reviews.